Hi, it's Laura here at the Charleston Holistic Center, and I'm going to talk a little about the whole connectivity, energy web, golden rule sort of thing. Literally, we are all connected. Our energy connects to everyone else's energy and to the energy of all the plants and all the animals and the planet, other planets, the whole galaxy, the whole universe. So it's an interconnected web of energy. This is why when we do things that aren't so nice to someone else, that has a ripple effect because it's all interconnected on the web, right? Right. Okay. But what about when we do stuff that isn't nice to ourselves? Ah, same ripple effect. Same effect. So we put ourselves down. We don't actually take care of ourselves. We just distract ourselves. We don't become the better person that we're supposed to be. It has a ripple effect. Now, there is a reverse ripple effect too, another ripple effect. Opposite ripple effect. Whatever. If you do great stuff, if you work on yourself, if you're really nice to people, if you uplift others, if you uplift yourself, there's a ripple effect. So, next time you're in line for coffee and the barista looks really flustered because the person in front of you, ordered the coffee with the 17 different things. Smile and be really nice. It makes a difference. It really does. It makes a huge difference. Just saying. Thank you and namaste.